Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve a question, an exponents question, which has a negative base. Now, you may not know what that means, so I'll draw an example question for you on the board now. We have minus 2 to the power of 5. So this is an exponents question because the exponent is 5, and the base here is negative 2. So we have negative 2 to the power of 5. This essentially means we've got negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So let's write that out now. Now, if we were to just do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, we'd get 32. So let's remember that for later. And let's just look at what we're going to have a positive or negative number. So if we start with a negative number and we multiply it by a negative number, we will have a positive number. If we then times that by a negative number, negative. We times a negative number by a negative number, which gives us positive, and then we're timesing a positive by a negative to get negative. And as we said, 2 to the power of 5 gives us 32, and it will be negative, meaning our answer is negative 32. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.